Namaste students, this is Sabeshna Maji. How are you all? I hope all are fine. In previous class, we learned about written sources and material sources. Today, we are going to learn about advent of the Europeans. In last class, I given the introduction about the Portugal. In today's class, we are going to see about one person. The name of the person is Vasco da Gama. He is the first person. He discovered the sea route between Portugal and India. From here to there. For this, first he is reaching the southmost part of Africa. After that, he is reaching the Mozambique. From here, he is moving to Mombasa. After that, he is moving towards to India. First, he is reaching the Calicut. This is the image of the Vasco da Gama. He is also a Portuguese sailor. King Zomerian. First, the Vasco da Gama he reached the Calicut. At that time, in Calicut, King Zomerian was ruled. After that, the another person also coming to the Calicut. That person name is called as Pedro Alvarez Cabral. He is the second person. He also coming to India. That time, the King Zomerian, he is receiving the Pedro Alvarez Cabral. He is coming with 13 ships and a few hundred soldiers in 1500. On his arrival, one mutual agreement was happening between King Zomerian and Portuguese. First, they are reaching the Calicut. Calicut is here. And after that, the Vasco da Gama again, second time he is coming to the Calicut in 1501 with 20 ships and he is starting the trading center at Kannanur. You can able to see here. After this, the King Zomerian, he started waking up. He started fighting with the Portuguese people, but he was defeated. After that, Cochin was the first capital of Portugal in East India Company. After this, the Vasco da Gama, third time he is reaching the Cochin, and then in December 1524, the Vasco da Gama getting died in Cochin. Next, the another person name is called as Francisco de Almeida. Francisco de Almeida. He is the first governor of the Portuguese in 1505. His aim is to develop the naval power of the Portuguese in India. This policy is called as Blue Water policy. First of all, he wants to create a naval power. Naval power means you know very well. What is the name of the policy? Blue water policy. And then after that, the Portuguese had some problem with the Arabs people. So they wants to stop trading with the Arabs people in Indian Ocean. So they created some negative impact on the Egypt and Turkey. After that, Egypt, Turkey and Gujarat, they joining with together and they started fighting with the Portuguese. And Muslim fleet, they also joining in the war. On that time, the Portuguese got failed. Almeida's son also died in that battle in Due. That time the Muslim fleet won. It was a naval battle. We'll move on to next topic. The next person name is called as Alfonso de Albuquerque. In the year of 1509 to 1515. Actually, the real founder of the Portuguese power in India was Alfonso de Albuquerque. First of all, he captured the Goa. First, he is capturing the Goa from the Sultan in November 1510, and then he established the Portuguese authority with Persian Gulf, and then he started encouraging the marriages between Portuguese and Indian women. Then finally he maintained a friendly relationship with Vijayanagar Empire. This is about the Alfonso de Albuquerque. And the next person is called as Nino de Cunha. He is also the governor of Portugal. First of all, he is shifting the capital from Goa to Cochin to Goa in 1530. First, he is shifting the capital from Cochin to Goa. And then in 1534, he captured the Basian from Bahadur Shah. And then in 1537, the Portuguese occupied Due. He capturing Due also. And then after that, he is capturing Daman. So finally, he is capturing Goa, Daman, Due, Basin and Bombay also. And then finally the Portuguese bought civilization of tobacco. They established the civilization of tobacco, and then they spreading one religion called as Catholic religion. And then in 17th century, the Portuguese power has become declining because of Dutch. That's all about today's classes. What are topics we've seen so far? Today we've seen about 4 persons. The first person name is Vasco da Gama, and the next person name is Francisco de Almeida, and third person name is Alfonso de Albuquerque, and last person name is Nino de Cunha. In tomorrow's class, we will see about the Dutch. Thank you, students.